TJ Outdoors. On this video, we're going to be showing you guys how we set up our hunting blinds. And if you guys are wondering why my face looks rough, is because I did not get all my face paint off because I was just hunting this morning. So, yeah. Okay guys, so here's what we've been doing.
This trail, so you get back into the barn. So this is where the barn's gonna go, right in here. That's walking in with the barn, so.
There's actually a trail right back in there. The deer love to come out that way to the corn pile. And then there's a trail over here, they'll come up. And then right over there's an opening that they'll come through. You can shoot them right there. And yeah, get to it.
I don't know if you guys use ground blinds a lot, but they're a whole lot easier to set up than they are to take down, is what we've found out in the past. So, we did figure out a trick how to take them down, so we'll have to show you guys that in some. Oh wait, that was the side, that was the top.
Should I pull this out?
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah.
This is the nice thing about blinds. You can basically.
There's the corn pile. Okay guys, we have the blind staked down. John's staking her down right now. Getting it done. I think we may have a hammer in there, John. Now, there's little straps right here. We're gonna try to put that thing in. We got a hammer, so if needed, we can use that. Dad's right outside with the whacker, the weed whacker.
You wanna stick this one down? Spiders.
Sure. John, tell them your fear.
Spiders. Hey, like I wouldn't mind giant spiders like
this one in.
Okay, but I wouldn't mind giant spiders like as big as foxes, but they're tiny. I mean, they could get in your boots, they could get on your hands, they can get in your jacket pockets. They can do anything.
This guy's really hard. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the hammer. John, do you turn off the video?
Sure. Okay, so guys, we couldn't find a hammer, so we're gonna jerry-rig this thing with another stake.
I think my boot would just work better.
Yeah, try your boot. Okay, I'll stomp on these then.
No, that doesn't work.
That's good. There. Perfect. Oh, that's nice. There we go. Looks like a charm.
Well, John, you really made something happen. Okay.
I think we're done.
There's a corn pile. Let's do that the four-wheeler and the deer, okay?
Hey, where's your sights? I see no sights on those. Go on buy a scope for that.
Yeah.
And some ammo and drill a hole for that and put some black powder in there. Then you'll be good. Okay guys, this is the finished product. We stuffed some weeds and stuff in these little, I don't know.
Holes.
Yeah, holes I guess you could say. But I don't know if I'd think it was, a blind. easily covered.
We're gonna go look at it from the biggest trail. Do. Man, this grass looks really tasty. I see gonna be a thing. Oh man, it's missing.
Where were my shots going?
Past me! Come over here. Corn pile. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. Hey guys,
That's how we set up our blinds and
signing it off. Hashtag TJ gang.
hashtag Jesus.
Keep it in the outdoors. And yeah guys, that's how we set it. I mean
That's how